For educational purposes only. We got that Texas border dripping, dripping taste. We got that Texas border dripping, dripping taste.
We got that Texas border dripping, dripping taste.
Smoking hot, going up, smoking hot, going up, smoking hot, going up, smoking hot.
¿Qué onda, raza? Aquí estamos en Richmond, Texas. We're about maybe 45 minutes away from Houston, which is where we're gonna go. Today is June 27. If you know, you know. You know, DJ Screw, R.I.P. Yep. You gotta check this shit out.
I'ma calm down, show up the ground. I'ma calm down, show up the ground. I'ma calm down, show up the ground. I'ma calm down, show up the ground.
It's operated from the top. Got the big ass engine in the bottom. That's the supercharger. How much horsepower you guys think this is putting down? Another transmission. Got the blower on top. Check out that belt. The electric cooling fans. Yeah, comment down below how much horsepower you think this thing is putting down. Aquí andamos en la casa del tío, venimos a levantar el perro de la cuñada. She's staying here for now. She's moving into an apartment and she needed us to come pick up the little dog. Some little German Shepherd. After this, we're gonna go downtown Houston. Go try out some birria tacos at some birrias and micheladas place. Gonna go try them out. And then just enjoy the day, enjoy the time over here. There's not really much going on because of the coronavirus, so a lot of places, shows or whatever got canceled. So just gonna enjoy the day, enjoy the time over here, enjoy the weekend con la family.
Y'all boys gotta feel this. Another screwed up production on to my. For real. You know how we do it on the South.
He revisado el pasado de lo mal que me he portado. He sido cabrón, ni se diga malo. Muchas han tratado de domar este potro, mas no me he dejado. Al viejo le he aprendido que mientras esté vivo hay que celebrar, no importa el motivo. Por eso de gusto brindo por las damas y por los amigos.
Me pegas más. So fucking stupid.
Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all alone. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all alone. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all alone. Back then, hoes didn't want me.
perro de la cuñada. A little German Shepherd. Gonna take him back to the valley. Come here. Hey. Right now, out of nowhere salieron estos perrillos. Quién sabe qué onda, de quién son. Se miran como little pit bulls. They look like pit bulls. Hey, boys. Hey, whose dogs are these? They're pit. Quién sabe dónde chingas salieron estos perritos. Hey, boys.
I'm gonna let them barbecue. Alright, I'm sorry about that. Oh my God, look at this. That's why y'all came. Who is this? What is he? Armand?
His name is Potato.
Oh, I like this potato.
Then we're gonna get something to eat. We're probably gonna end up going to 3 different places because we can never decide as to where we're gonna eat. So that's what we're gonna do. got back from testing for COVID-19 admission at a TOC pharmacy. Todo salió negative, thank God. And I forgot to take out the sign.
Yes, I said yes. I said yes, girl. I said yes.
Go, Jack. Let's go, Grandma. My mom said yes. My mom said yes.
You know, look this way.
No, Grandma,
No.
For me.
Shout out to the suegro for hooking it up with the new Toolbox. I'm gonna get this one refurbished. Get it a custom paint. Bring it back to life. I got the key in there somewhere.
Okay, now it's a down switch.
The only thing wrong with this box is the little slider broke off, but that's no biggie. It's an original snap-on. Shit, this toolbox is over $1,000. It's got the wheels in pretty good shape with the locks, and it's got the mat.
Toolbox in pretty good shape.
No quema que. Pero que anda que.
Today we're gonna go pick up a Maine Coon. My wife's been wanting one of those cats. We found a 3-year-old that's out for adoption, so we're gonna go pick it up. It's one of the largest domesticated cats that there is.
Oh my gosh, she is so big.
Like, you're wearing dark clothes and
You guys want to see a big hairy white pussy? Let me show you guys how big she is.